Hello my friends, welcome back. Simona Cochi, The Italian Way. This is my terrace. I'm by the side of the Saint-Germain Castle, few kilometers far from France, but of course still in Italy. And today I'm welcoming you with a special review because I think they want us to hear them really loud. And I think they deserve to be heard really loud. I'm talking about Australia Pavilion. You know, they've been through an incredible 2 years of restrictions, and the incredible artwork by Marco Fusinato has perfectly embodies the stress they've been through, and we are here to support them, to pay tribute to this experimental noise project by Marco Fusinato, as I told you. And I've been reviewing the press conference on YouTube, and I found the quotes by Alexie Glass-Kantor. I think she's the curator, and she said that the noise of this pavilion could be heard far away from the Biennale area. So what is about this is a powerful installation that has been created using equipment has elements of art, and so the team has been working during 2 years in producing, selecting, and ensemble such a great sound and powerful images to be blended together and to transform that in a powerful and very vibrant matter of energy. So I think through these images, through these sounds, in this close atmosphere of the pavilion, you can also perceive the sentiment. So that's why they call it disasters, and I think it's really evocative. So you enter in this studio because they arrange the pavilion, Australian pavilion, like a studio, and you will be seduced by these slabs of noise, saturated feedback, intensities of sound, electric guitars, triggering images. It's really powerful, and I have to remind you also, as a daughter of a musician and a painter, the power of the vibration of the sound. For instance, if you go and to work out, the more you have the music on with BPM aligned to your body efforts, it's much more easy to perform. And so with this artwork, Marco Fusinato and the Australia that supported, of course, as our council, this project wanted to be heard worldwide, wanted to be want to impress the audience, and I think it's absolutely one of the most outstanding and innovative and modern way of performing contemporary art. Let's watch together what is it about. Disasters.